We're now going to learn how to start building our robot program. Over on the left of the screen we'll see what's called the common palette, and we see a series of icons, or tiles as they're called, that have different functions that we can put into our program to give different instructions to our robot. We're going to start with the sound function. We drag a sound tile onto our program space and we begin with the settings. So down the bottom of the screen you'll see a series of settings that relate to this particular part of the program, or the sound tile. We can have a sound file from the ones already available.
Good morning.
I think that's not a bad one for our robot. Or we could put a tone in there. I'm going to go with a sound file. Then we have a few other controls, such as the volume level. We could tell that sound to repeat if we wished. And over on the right we have this thing where it asks us, do we want to wait for completion? What that's saying is, do we want this action to be fully executed before we move on to the next step of our program, or do we want it to be going on while the program continues? And I'm going to say we'll finish this good morning announcement before we begin our program. And that's all it takes to put a sound into our program.